G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what I wanted to do is just have a quick chat to you about sediment cartridges, sediment filtration. So protecting the other cartridges in your water filter from sediment, protecting the home from sediment, okay? So what we're finding is there's a bit more sediment in the water than there used to be, and it is worth taking note of, okay? So these are sediment cartridges you can see here in front, just cheap Polyspun sediment cartridges, much cheaper than a carbon cartridge or heavy metal cartridge that you would find in your water filter, okay? So the reason that we would use one, and you can see this twin benchtop water filter here, is the sediment's coming in and this sediment cartridge will block it. It'll fill up with the sediment, it'll store it and hold it, and it'll stop the sediment flowing over into the second cartridge. Now, nowadays we've got very good cartridges for position 2, and they are taking out all of the chlorines and chloramines and nasties out of the water. But we don't want them blocking up all the time, and you don't want to keep pulling the top off this housing here and scrubbing the cartridge clean because it's got sediments all over the outside of it. So a cheap, simple sediment cartridge in position 1 will protect and stop any sediments gathering and blocking and shortening the life of your quality cartridge here in position 2. Now, even if it's outside on the whole house, it's a great idea to have one of these. So if you're in the city on a whole house water filter, it's great to have a cheap Polyspun sediment cartridge in position 1. It's locking up and stopping the sediments the same as an indoor water filter will. And let's face it, it's not cheap for a carbon cartridge, so we want to make them last as long as they can. And the best way to do that is protect them with a Polyspun sediment cartridge in front of your carbon cartridges on your whole house. Also, if you've got a rainwater tank and when it's brand new it might be nice and clean inside, but once you've been living on the property for a few years and we get some leaf matter into the tank and it starts to break down, etc., the pump will pick that up and it's pumping all of that sediment into the home. And apart from the fact that it comes through the shower and fills your hair and things like that, it's filling up the hot water system and your home appliances. So just put a simple single sediment filter like this outside on the incoming water, and what that will do is just block any sediments coming into the house, stop the home appliances filling up with sediment. If you've got any filters inside your house like this, a big sediment cartridge outside will stop any sediments coming into the house, so then you can get away with a single in the house or a twin with specialty cartridges in it, and you don't require the sediment filtration inside the home if you've got some good sediment protection outside, okay? So My Water Filter nowadays really does recommend that you take advantage and use some sediment protection in front of all your water filters. Thank you very much.